the dirt bike fixed finally. So, did he go back around, Sarah? Sarah, Jane, where'd Daddy go?
He went to go ride the dirt bike all the way.
Oh my God. My dad to go ride a dirt bike around somewhere. He on the road coming back now. I don't know where he is. I heard him. Here he comes.
What?
There you go. Go in the house.
It's gonna scare me before.